Hey, how you doing? Chef Jay here. So today we're going to talk about learning and how our staff learn. And there's so many different things out there that people say there are 4 steps to learning. Your unconscious competency, your conscious competency, all these different things. There's 3 stages to learning. I think that learning from anyone is really going to be about a few things. And I'll tell you what those, in my mind, and this is what I've seen. And if you have difference of opinion, please, I love those. The first stage of learning for someone that comes into your kitchen is that you are the authority. You're the person that they are coming to learn from. You're the person that they're coming to understand. You're the person that they are looking towards to actually show what needs to be done. So that's the first stage. The second stage is them trying what you've told them to do. So this is their second stage of learning. They've actually watched you do it. You're the authority. They've taken information and advice from you. The third stage is them actually looking to others to verify what it is that you told them to do, that they practiced, just to see whether or not that is the best way for them to do it. And the fourth stage for them is going to be, hey, I got this. I know how to do it. I've seen a few different things, and I'm going to take those things and mix them up and come up with my own style of understanding and doing. Now, this is the most phenomenal way to learn, because you start off and you're not really sure. You get the information, you use the information, you verify the information, and then you utilize that information in a practical way for you. This is what you want to encourage with your employees. Not necessarily to go against SOPs that are out there, but don't make them feel uncomfortable because what you showed them might have a different tone for their understanding. And we'll talk about tone for understanding for another time, but it will be actually the only thing that's necessary when you talk about what is going on. Okay? So that is going to be the most important thing, that is for you to actually go out and have your people learn, understand, but at the same time, let it be adaptable to what they're doing. And adaptability does not mean bucking the system and doing what they want to do, but adaptability means utilizing the tools that you've given them for them to do the job in the most effective way possible. That's it for today, Chef Jay, and have a good day.